Kwa ihinda riu Mumbunge wa guthukio Maina Kamanda akoretwo akirikana ati niwe matu na maitho ma President Uhuru Kenyatta gitaro-ini gia gatagati ga bururi agitongoria batuni iri iranyita mbaru ngeithi cia President Uhuru Kenyatta na Raila Odinga kuhurira ndebe kamiti ya BBI na wira wayo undu umwe na gukumithia munini wa President ni kiria Kamanda na aruna ake maroiga ati ni gwika kampeini cia tene. Muthenya wa aramithi akoretwo ari mugeni wa mwanya ofici-ini ya mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM mwena wa Capitol Hill guku Nairobi na aroimbura ati kimwe kia maundu maria matemanitio metha-ini ya mucamanio uyu ni kumenyithia Raila Odinga haria mihango ya kuguithia punguza mizigo gitaro-ini gia gatagati ikinyite.
You have seen what is happening even in Central. Punguza mzigo is almost dying and we are waiting patiently to see the BBI result so that at the end of the day we read it, take it to the grassroots.
As you know, we are working together in order to ensure that the Building Bridges initiative that we launched with the President is accepted across the country.
Riri ruriri rwa Gikuyu ruria rukoragwo no ritu munene makiria wa kura guku bururi-ini iria cinyotagirwo ni andu aingi ruronekana ta rutari na mundu wa kuruhe mwerekera athathauria maundu moteti maroiga ati mucamanio wa Maina Kamanda na Raila Odinga ni ikinya ria mbere ria ucamba ria mundu ureyumba ta mwaria wa gema no magetikira ati angikorwo uyu niguo mucoro wa Kamanda agirirwo ni kwambiriria na kunyitithania andu aria maronekana ta magayukanitio ni mirugamo ya mwaka wa 2022.
We have enjoyed peace in this country and we don't want that peace to be thrown out by few people who does not want to see that we have achieved so much, that even the kind of development we are getting in this country now and even in this Nairobi, you can move Kibera freely without any interference.
Agithie na mbere na kuhanda mung'ethaniro wake na munini wa President William Ruto, Kamanda oigite ati thiini wa githurano gia Kibra urito wake ugakorwo thutha wa murirukia wa tigiti wa kiama kia ODM Bernard Okoth Imran indi mwahuri unyitaga mbaru William Ruto ni unyitite ugeni Maina Kamanda mbitikaini ino ikimwirira ati tariki 7 mweri wa 11 niguo nganja na wirano woteti cigathira.
Me, I call him handshake candidate, and there are so many other members of parliament who want to come and support him.
It's done in a very peaceful and friendly atmosphere. We don't want to see any kind of violence in this campaign.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.